plus left side plus right side. Now first is the top. Top is this one. Top. This is L into B. Length into breadth. So in place of this I write L into B plus bottom. Bottom is also L into B. L into B plus front is this one. This is L. This is your H. LH. Length into breadth. Length is this H. Breadth is the height we have taken. LH. So this is L into H plus a back. This is L into H. The back is this one. Again also L into H. L into H plus left side. Left side. Your left side is my right side. Yes or no? So my left side. This is B. Breadth. And this is the height. So BH. So B into H plus right side. My right side. Your left side. This is your B and this is H. B into H. So this is coming B into H is equal to L into B, L into B. A plus A, 2A. A plus A plus A, 3A. A plus A plus A plus A, 4A. So L into B plus L into B, 2 into L into B. 2 L into B plus L into B. L into this is H taken na LH H. So sorry, this is 2 L into H plus L into H, 2 into L into H plus L into B plus L into B, 2 into L into B plus B into H plus B into H, 2 into B into H. 2 into B into H. All of you are understanding up to this? This is also you have studied in class 8 also. Now 2LH, 2LB, 2BH. You can write this one. A will cross multiplication symbol it will remove. It will be 2LH plus 2LB plus 2BH. 2BH. You can take 2 common. Bracket LB plus BH plus LH. This is square unit because area is always a square. So total surface area of a cuboid is equal to bracket LB plus BH plus LH. That means 2 bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Now it's coming area for 4 sides. Area for 4 sides, or you can say lateral surface area. Area 4 sides, or you can say lateral surface area. So you see here area for 4 sides, and you see if you can see your classroom just like a cuboid. Yes or no? So 4 walls like this side, this is your wall, and my right side is the wall, left side is the wall, front is the wall. This is called the floor, this is called the roof, and this is called the floor. Roof and a floor. So area of 4 sides means area of 4 walls. Here you see in this case area of 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top and bottom you will not take. Top and bottom you will not take. So what is the area of 4 sides? This one, all of you know, this is B and this is BH. This is also BH. Front is your L, length L, and this is your H, LH, and back side is your also LH. So area of 4 walls, area of 4 walls, or you can say lateral surface area is equal to, you see front is your, this is L and this is H, L into H, front plus back plus left side plus right side. Front